Thanks, John. Thank you to the Edge AI and Vision Alliance for inviting me to speak today. John said, I'm Jonathan Lee. I'm the Chief Product Officer at AI.io. And today we're going to talk about how we're using AI to transform how we find athletes, right? How we scout athletes for teams. And to start, I want to start with the problem, which is talent is equally distributed, but opportunity is not. So we find athlete talent all over the world, without exception. In every country, we see it, but many, if not most, will never get that opportunity to pursue a higher level of play, right? Whatever they aspire to, they want to play pro, want to make a college team. Most are not going to get that opportunity, right? And really, that's rooted in the traditional scouting methods, which are inefficient. They're very manual. So we think about how a team scouts, right? They have some limited number of scouts. They send out, an athlete will show up on their radar. The team will send out the scouts to go watch maybe a few games in person. I scrub down some notes, and it's very subjective, right? And they come back and they compare notes. I can tell a couple athletes here because people are nodding, but they compare notes, and then they say, all right, who should we bring in? You saw this person, but so I saw this kid, he's pretty good, right? And so it's very subjective. And so for us, our goal is to take what is subjective and make it objective, right? Our goal is to take something that is very manual, limited in range, and automate it and scale it. And that's what we're doing with aiScout, where all you need is your smartphone, and we do the rest with AI.